What's up, people? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Great Britain Pound Japanese yen as we speak. I'm analyzing it. Right now, Japanese yen is not really in a good position. I believe maybe just because of the weakness of the US dollar. This might really cause some kind of shrink in the Japanese international, currency trading market as we speak. So as it is like this is Great Britain Pound Japanese yen. Market is going up in favor, is bullish, is going up in the favor of Great Britain Pound as we speak. So what I see now, I'm in this market already. So this market is definitely going to hit. That is, if it's reversed this week, this market is an uptrending market. So should the market reverse, it will just hit this very point, which is 135.677. It will hit this very point and it will keep going up. This is what I could see. This is the limit that my own price action calculation statistics said it will get to before it reverse. So that is if it will reverse, if Japanese yen will have a chance this very new week. So as we speak right now, this market is uptrend and it's going at the moment. I'm inside the market, so I set a buy limit somewhere here. I'm already buying. It's going up in profit for me, but I set another buy limit here just in case the market reverse. It will hit here and it will start going up. This is what I see to this market. But let's just check let's just check out the market has been waving for a while now. You get it? Let's come to Jesus Christ. This is 2015. From 2015, Jesus, this market is really. Let's just start from 2018. This is January 2018. The market start falling, bearish. It got to a stage here. It start climbing up again. Great Britain Pound regain its strength. Japanese yen pull it down. It swings down. It swings low down from all this place. Japanese yen right now, Great Britain Pound right now, to me, is trying to gain some little stability, which is very good. But this market at the moment is not really, the strength is not really there for Japanese yen. It's Great Britain Pound just have to form its own momentum. Great Britain Pound is just trying to alter a statement at this very moment, and this is exactly what Great Britain Pound is doing. So should it just hit its own iron pot and it hits back at this very point, it's going up. Either way, whatever it is, this market is an uptrend. This is what I see there. Just let us check. 1, 2, 3. This now is a clear downtrend, but it didn't go much. It hits up to this very point and it start climbing up back. So it shows that the momentum is forming back up. Because here, just in this very place, we have something that we call tweezer bottom. You get it? We have something that we call tweezer bottom in this very spot. You get it? So the tweezer bottom shows a reversal. A tweezer top shows a reversal process. You understand? At this very circle that I'm going through. So as this market is now, is trying to climb up, is trying to show us the stability of Great Britain Pound this new week. You get it? So it's a very good thing. I'm not just saying that you should gamble into the market like that. I've done my own statistics, I've done my own mathematics on the market, so you could do yours. You could just try to look at what you see there. You just drop your comment, let me know what you see. Please, people out there, really appreciate it if you could comment, share, subscribe on my channel, click the notification button. It will really make me happy. It will really push this ministry of forex trading forward, forex trading forecast. This is what I mean. So from what I can see here, this market is an uptrending market at the moment. You get it. For this week, it's an uptrending market, and it's going to hit break by break. It's going to start going up. You get it. There might be a little power struggle. You get it. There might be a little power struggle because of this big circle, but this market is going up. You get it. So here is my point, people. Please trade wise, trade safe. You get it. So just let us look at it. Just let us look at it from a price action perspective. From a price action perspective, I'm coming. Let's go to this place. From a price action perspective, let's go to this place. Get it? Got to this mountain, and it resists. It fell down back in bearish. It goes bearish in favor of Japanese yen. And this was around September 1st. This was September 1st, September 2nd, 2020. The market started falling. It fell up to this moment, this place. Great Britain pound picked it up. Japanese yen tried to pull it. Great Britain pound pick it up again. Japanese yen tried to pull it, but at this very point, Great Britain pound is picking it up, and to me, I see Great Britain pound winning. At this very junction, at this very moment, I see Great Britain pound winning. I'm going to give this very market a serious follow-up this week. I just want you guys just look at it. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you see from your own calculation. Drop comment in the, just drop your comment. Let me know what you see in the market. Let me know how you see it going. But for me, what I see here is that this market is an uptrending market. Should it want to reverse, it will reverse at least up to this extent, then it will bounce back up, because the strength for Japanese yen,
but I found some information for
really
it. When does Isha start? Would that help?
So the strength for Japanese yen is not really there at the moment. So this market is going up. It's going up. That's just the answer.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
That's just the answer. Sorry guys, it's my it's my device that is talking at the background. So as we speak, it's going up. The market is an uptrending market. Not should it break this very resistance, it's already broken. So it's already a uptrending market, and it's going to go, I don't know, let's just say we're looking at something like this for now, because Great Britain pound is going to try to make some few statement. You get it? So to me, I see something like this at this very circle. Great Britain pound will dominate. There might be a little power struggle, but it's going to this direction. So people, if you want to trade it, just do your own calculation, do your own price action calculation. If you feel like trading this, you're okay. I'm okay with that. If you don't want to trade it, it's up to you. But me, at the moment, I'm in this market. I have a very present market going up, and I have another one that is staying at buy limit as we speak right now. So should the market hit this very point, it's going back up. This is what I see there. So people, I just want you to know, I really appreciate it. If you, to all my subscribers, I'm really happy that you guys subscribe to my channel. Please people, like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and let me hear your comment. I'll definitely appreciate your comment. Just tell me what you see about the market. I'll definitely appreciate your polite comment. People, please trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy, stay safe, use nose mask. Have a good one. See you in my next video. Thanks for now. Bye.